Longing for that Parisian je ne sais quoi? Discover how the French bob can effortlessly transform your everyday look. This chin-length cut offers effortless style for any occasion. A playful addition that highlights your eyes brilliantly. Its straight edges are perfect for a polished look. A geometric frame adds elegance to your symmetry. Layered and carefree, it evolves beautifully as it grows. Subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with the latest hairstyle trends.